This week I'm testing the new Porsche Macan, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow us on our socials. Number 1 is I can fit 3 Infosecure Attain More child seats across the back here, which is fantastic. It is a tight fit, so I don't know if any other child seats would fit. We did find it much more comfortable with 2 child seats and the versatile folding booster seat. Number 2 is the drive. This Porsche Macan is really good fun to drive. It's really agile and nippy. Number 3 is you can easily fit the new Bugaboo Donkey 5 Twin in the boot of the Porsche Macan with 4 shopping bags. I have thoroughly enjoyed driving the Porsche Macan with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.